Hello there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our little corner of sustainability. This is Blissful Spaces. Today, I want to take you through an exciting update on my budget garden and share some important insights on growing your own food, saving seeds, and being prepared for the unexpected. As you can see, our garden is flourishing. We've got a mix of vegetables and herbs and flowers and some fruit. Gardening doesn't have to break the bank. We've used recycled materials and budget-friendly seeds. Yes, the seeds that we collect from our own seasonal gardens. I seasoned in my reused jars brim with garden seeds. Come on, let's take a closer look at this beautiful oasis. I love blissful moments like this in the garden. Check out that hummingbird. One key to self-sufficiency is seed saving. It's both economical and sustainable. By saving your own seeds from your strongest plants will ensure a continuous supply of fresh produce year after year. It connects us with the earth in a profound way. I can't wait to make my world famous fried green tomatoes with these beautiful tomatoes. Here I'm allowing my daikon radishes to flower, and as you can see, there are some seeds, and I just let them drop to the ground. I'll always have daikon radishes, and here I have the parsley seeds. My salvia is blooming, and the seeds will drop to the ground. Here are some arugula. Everything in my garden I allow to bolt, flower, and I collect the seeds. No other choice but to love you. Absolutely gorgeous. Have you ever thought about toxins lurking in store-bought processed foods? It's really concerning. And what about the possibility of another food shortage or seed shortage? It's time to take our food security into our own hands. So here's my challenge to you. Join me on this journey of self sufficiency. Just being able to grow your own food for your family, knowing what you're eating, everything is organic, this is as organic as possible. Follow me as I share tips, tricks, and lessons learned on my journey. I promise you, growing your own food is easier than you might think. Together, we can empower our community to become resilient, self resilient, and healthier. Keep following along as we are walking through the garden and doing our garden tour. My 3-year-old grape, there's nothing like growing your own homegrown fruits, vegetables, and flowers, edible flowers. Look at those grapes. Oh my goodness. Come on, let's try one. Embracing preparedness, growing our own berries, blackberries in the garden. They are still producing like crazy. This is my third harvest from these blackberries, and I think I'm going to, once the rest of them ripen, I'm going to cut them down because did you know blackberries, they grow wild. I have them growing everywhere, and I have raspberries mixed in. I just love coming out every morning and picking my own berries. Blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, mulberries. Oh, it's delicious. Come on, let's pick them. There's plenty enough for you. all the way to the end, there is a surprise. And those that comment, all you have to do is comment. This will be my first giveaway. All you have to do is comment for an opportunity to be a lucky winner. Watch all the way to the end, and you have to tell me what's your favorite part about this video. Don't forget, comment, like. I must say that you have to be in the United States in order to be selected to win. I know. I wish everyone could receive or have opportunity. Flower after the second year, and so I'm collecting my seeds, letting them drop to the ground. Thank you for tuning in today. Remember, my budget gardening, seed saving, and embracing preparedness. We can create a brighter future for ourselves and for our families, our loved ones. Stay tuned for more adventures in self-sufficiency. Until next time, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep inspiring. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Blessings.